Masterpieces take a lifetime. And patience is a peerless craft. It's wonderful, it's beautiful. You know who you were a year ago. Oh, paint your portrait as you grow. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush. Is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush. Is a rush, feel the rush. You're a painting Frida Kahlo. Lead the muses like a follow. All the colors layered.
then we have bread on that. It's like really high fiber, high protein bread. It's so wholesome, so good. And I've got this last image already sort of the first. It's going down.
No, passion fruit sounds good.
I've been waiting for Everest to come down in price because I would eat that every day as well in my toast.
Like people get in this room, they'll probably double.
Right here. I don't know where it came from. I'm sure push this one.
Oh, there.
If you want, you can get your own little. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
It goes really well with the watermelon. You're not really supposed to have watermelon with yogurt though.
Why?
It might ferment in your body.
I thought fermented food was good for you.
Not this kind of fermentation.
So many restrictions.
So I think I want something cool fitting like a mermaid bra. So my
They want to use resources. It's a conversation we can have.
When is it? Well, that's why he's an expert. Really, phone is one of the dirtiest surfaces.
Photographer.
I think he's actually quite.
As much as I want to get stabbed on a Friday morning. Yeah, go for it.
I remember I was in a yoga class with my friend and the teacher was saying, please let us know if you have any problems or injuries, and my friend was next to me and she went, just the men.
And so I was like just super hungover and I was like, this isn't going to end well. So like the whole time I was just trying not to throw up.
We tried to kill
I know, it was quite pretty. We should have put them, we should have taken the photo. I don't know. This is very hot.
That's good.
Can we graze it? Oh, I can smell that butter. It's so good. It's one day closer to getting my cheesecake.
Oh no, drive Laura now. So her cheesecake.
It has to be homemade though.
No, that's just
Who's home?
Yeah.
It just doesn't taste the same if it's store bought. Same with apple crumble, I think.
I was a little sad they weren't like just donuts made of halloumi. That's what I was picturing.
Start building it. Okay. Building is phase 3. Yes. You just need to have some way of seeing the slides and make it a natural presentation.
You ready now?
Yeah, we'll put him in the living room. We'll hook it up to the TV.
Yeah, I'll script it up.
Yung mali. Hindi pa rin madali.
Yan po sa kami natin tanong mo.
Going out in the fog, am I always gonna feel this way? Skip my coffee and lunch, trying to manage the day. Pulled in different directions, searching for what's calling me. At the end of the day, it's another lap. Ooh. So stop calling, stop texting, I'm not sure where I'm at. Finding what's been hogging my mind ain't simple. And I know it ain't fair to cut off that. At the end of the day, gotta ask myself, where am I now? If I look, I can find it out. If I step back from the mirror, will I see it clearer? Where am I now? And if it happens and it was supposed to be that way, and if it happens and it was supposed to be that way, and if it happens and it was supposed to be that way, and if it happens and it was supposed to be that way, and if it happens and it was supposed to be that way, and if it happens and it was supposed to be that way. So guess what? I'm not getting no younger and the answer ain't coming. Looking east, looking west, but I'm no closer to finding something. Should I get behind, be okay, be lost with nothing? In the back of my head, I'm still holding out for it. Gotta ask again, where am I now? supposed to be that way. And if it happens, then it was supposed to be that way. And if it happens, then it was supposed to be that way.
Hati lang.
And if it happens, then it was supposed to be the way. If it happens, then it was supposed to be that way. And if it happens, then it was supposed to be that way.
Pancake, di na natin kaya yan, Ray.
Wait, saan ba? Matcha. Ay? What? Ilang ano? Ay, dito.
Baka ano,
Sakay,
cake,
sakay.
oo.
Matcha.
Try ako ng matcha dun sa Gerroa.
Matcha.
Yeah. Ayaw mahiwa, Ray. Tama na. 2 minutes na lang.
Magpapakain ba or magpapakain ba? This is my first time here. I haven't seen this
Shop.
in this shop.
The next stop is Town Hall, followed by QVB, Wynyard, then all stops to Circular Quay.
No?
Best trick or treating ever! Isa, what are we to do about missing old references? I'm sure it will be some simple misunderstanding. Let's not allow it to spoil our agreement.
Being honest, didn't mean to fall.
May deep
so good. Are you sure this is you gave me the top one?
Yeah, that's the top.
Because it tastes like it's been dressed.
But it really has a strong smell. Thank you.
I don't even know what's up. You might not get being to the beach, but you can like walk them. A train to go across the bridge, only to take a bus to come back across. It's a bit anticlimactic, isn't it? After all of that. He's like, oh, checking out this place. Should I go and put?
Here he goes. Yeah.
Your camera's not pointing at the camera, really.
Ooh, Abby's coming on. He's like, well, he's on. I have to find a way to join in.
Do we do a good job, cats? I think.
3 different type. I don't know which one is green tea. Looks like this.
Yeah.